Today, we're going to show you how to download premium features from your active Garmin Navionics Vision Plus subscription on the Active Captain app. A mobile device or tablet compatible with the Active Captain app and an active subscription to Garmin Navionics Vision Plus is required. We will be using an Apple iPhone for this process, but the process is similar on an Android or tablet device. The Garmin Navionics Vision Plus subscription will have access to premium features like daily updates, high-resolution relief shading, sonar imagery, and satellite imagery for areas that are downloaded in your subscription area. First, select Settings, then select Chart Download Settings. Here, you can choose the premium features that will be included in your download area. A check mark on the premium feature will include this layer when downloaded, and unchecking the premium feature will not include this layer when downloaded. This can be toggled on and off with the check mark. Select Chart at the bottom of the page once your chart download settings have been applied. Select the menu button in the top right. Select Download Charts. A map with a blue rectangle will appear on the next screen. Inside the blue rectangle will be the download area that can be adjusted. Adjust the area by zooming in and out using 2 fingers on the map screen. The blue rectangle can also be adjusted by pulling a corner of the blue square. Select Download at the bottom once the blue rectangle has been adjusted. A blue check mark next to the chart will indicate which subscription has been selected. Make sure the appropriate chart subscription has a blue check mark. Select Download. Highlighted areas will indicate the section that has been downloaded. Grayed out areas are sections that have not been downloaded. Continue to download more sections of the map if needed. Selecting the back arrow next to Chart at the top left will bring us back to the chart screen. We can now add layers to the charts with premium features we just downloaded. Select Menu, then select Chart Settings. Premium features can be layered on a chart like satellite imagery, relief shading, fishing contours, depth shading, and much more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.